Con-crete University 101. Lesson number 5, Holding Cell Hell, Part 1. So here you are, you've decided to side bet against the odds to play the crime game, and you crapped out. Now it's time to pass the dice. Or maybe you just got caught up in an unfortunate situation with unfortunate circumstances, and now your enrollment application for acceptance into Con-crete University has been reviewed, and you got in. The bell is rung, your name is on the registry for courses, they've checked the attendance box, so it's time to enter the for real, first hour of class after admittance. Hear ye, hear ye. The first day of school is on. After being arrested and placed in a law enforcement transport vehicle, headed downtown, cuffed, shackled, and detained, the first stop on the campus of corrections is the county jailhouse. In fact, the county jail is more like junior college because there is where you pick up your basic and elementary courses. Before going off to a major university of Con-crete, a holding pen will be like preschool where you'll begin learning the 1, 2, 3s and the ABCs of jailing, so pay close attention. Nevertheless, if you have some misdemeanor charges that need to be dealt with, you may go to the city jail, then be transferred to the county. Either way, you are about to be booked. Not so fast though, the name of this game here is hurry up and wait. You will be rushed to wait. It will be like speeding up a highway entrance ramp only to run into stalled rush hour traffic, zooming to go nowhere fast. Before the process of booking is the process of being held up in a holding cell, anxiously awaiting your turn to be booked in. Think about that, students. Being anxious to wait to be booked into a jail like it's a reservation into a 5-star hotel. Holding cells are temporary human detainment units that are unavoidable once you reach the station. Regardless of whether or not you have an attorney or a bondsman on your speed dial to call, are a male, female, or non-binary, juvenile, or adult, you will see the inside of a holding cell, guilty or not. A holding cell is one of the worst types of cells to be put into, by force or by choice, only second to a death row cell, in my humble opinion. Upon being forced into one of these cells, sometimes called bullpens, the first thing to welcome you at the door will be the foul smell of a funk like no other. The stink and the stench of showerless body odor, butt gases, vomit, urine, and bowel will clog your nose, especially if someone is on the open toilet taking a dump in front of you. There is usually only one crapper that all must share like a public outhouse. Straight crap, real rap. These waiting cells are rarely clean due to so many bodies going in and out of them by the hour. Definitely not sanitary in cities with high crime rates. And since you are only there temporarily until you actually go through booking and are housed elsewhere or you make bond, there is no need for a shower to be in there, and sometimes there is no telephone to phone home immediately. Again, waiting to wait is all that these entryway cells are for. Now wait, there's more. Stay locked in to part 2 of Holding Cell Hell from Dean XLB. Free. Know before you enroll.